Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You start by prepping your footage. Make sure your green screen is evenly lit and your subject is separated from edges. Once recorded, open Imovie and create a new movie project. Import the background clip first so it sits on the timeline, then add the green screen clip above it as an overlay. This order matters because Imovie applies green screen effects to overlays. By placing the foreground over the background, you'll be ready to apply the keying step without reordering later. Now apply the effect. Tap the overlay clip so the inspector appears, open the three-dot menu, and choose green/blue screen. Imovie will automatically key out the green. Make sure to scrub the playhead and watch for leftover fringe. Once done, use pinch gestures to scale and reposition the foreground so it matches the background perspective. If the subject looks too large or small, adjust scale and timing. Make sure to trim any stray frames at the start or end to keep transitions clean. Finish by refining color and exposure so foreground and background match. Select clips and use color correction tools to balance tones and shadows. Once satisfied, set your project ratio, typically 16:9, and export at the desired resolution. If you notice green spill or flicker, make sure to reshoot with softer, more even lighting and increased distance between subject and green screen. This often fixes keying artifacts. If problems persist, replace the green screen footage or try a different background to isolate the issue.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.